Hello, and welcome to English Listening Stories. Today's story is calm, simple, and easy to follow. The English is slow and clear for beginners. Tonight, Emma comes back to her hotel very late after a long workday. She is tired, hungry, and ready to relax. But the hotel restaurant is already closed. Now she needs to order room service and choose food from a very big menu. What drink does Emma finally order with her meal? Listen carefully. The answer is in the story. And when you hear the answer, write it in the comments later. Writing your answer helps you practice English and remember the story better. Now let's begin.
I can't believe it's already midnight.
Yeah, today was long.
I'm starving.
You didn't eat dinner, right?
No, I was stuck at that last meeting.
Same here.
My feet hurt.
Mine too. That conference center was huge.
I just want a shower and something warm to eat.
Let's hope the hotel restaurant is still open.
Please, I don't want vending machine chips again.
Last night was rough.
Those chips tasted like cardboard.
And they cost $8.
Hotel food prices are crazy.
Wait, look at that sign.
Restaurant closed at 11 p.m. Great.
But room service is still open.
Really?
Yeah, 24 hours.
Okay, that just saved my night.
See, things are getting better already.
I need something warm. Maybe soup.
I'm thinking burgers or fried rice.
Fried rice sounds good right now.
Honestly, anything sounds good right now.
Even bad hotel pasta?
Okay, maybe not that.
Remember the pasta from Chicago?
Don't remind me, it was cold in the middle.
And somehow still burned on top.
That takes talent.
At least this hotel looks nicer.
Yeah, the lobby smells expensive.
That's probably the giant flower wall downstairs.
Or rich people perfume.
I'm too tired to laugh right now.
You're laughing anyway.
Barely.
Come on, let's get upstairs and check the menu.
Please tell me they have tea.
They have to. Fancy hotels always have tea.
Good. Hot tea sounds perfect tonight.
Long day, huh?
Very long day.
Well, we made it back alive.
Barely alive.
That still counts.
Okay. Room service first, sleep second.
Now that sounds like a solid plan.
Why is this menu so big?
Wow, that thing looks like a novel.
There are too many choices.
You always say that.
Because it's always true.
Just pick the first thing that looks good.
That's not how food works.
Pretty sure that's exactly how food works.
Look at this. They have breakfast, pasta, soup, noodles, steak.
It's midnight. Why are they serving pancakes right now?
Honestly, pancakes sound kind of good.
See, now you're making it harder.
I don't want anything heavy.
Same.
But I also want real food.
Very helpful.
I'm tired. My brain stopped working hours ago.
Mine stopped during the third presentation today.
The one about office software?
Yeah, I almost fell asleep.
You did fall asleep for like 2 seconds.
Nobody noticed.
I noticed.
Okay, focus. Food.
Right. What looks good to you?
The burger looks decent.
Hotel burgers are risky.
True.
Remember the burger in Seattle?
The super dry one?
I needed 3 drinks to finish it.
And the fries were cold.
Cold fries make me sad.
That should be on a t-shirt.
Cold fries make me sad.
I'd wear it.
The soup sounds nice.
What kind?
Tomato soup.
That feels too small for dinner.
Good point.
What about fried rice?
Wait.
What?
This fried rice actually sounds good.
See, we're making progress.
It comes with eggs and vegetables.
That sounds solid.
And it's not too heavy.
Exactly.
I might get the fried rice.
Honestly, I might copy you.
You copy my food orders all the time.
Because your food always looks better.
That is true.
Wow, very humble.
Thank you.
What about drinks?
Definitely tea.
Tea at midnight feels very adult.
I had enough coffee today to power a small city.
Same.
I just want something warm and quiet tonight.
Honestly, this room feels pretty cozy now.
Yeah, it does.
Hold on. What is this?
What?
This dessert right here.
Midnight cloud cake.
That sounds fake.
It really does.
What even is a cloud cake?
I have no idea.
The description says light cream and warm chocolate.
That explains nothing.
Maybe it floats.
I would order it just for that.
Honestly, same.
There's no picture either.
Fancy hotels never show pictures.
They want the dessert to feel mysterious.
It's working.
Now I kind of want it.
Even after all that fried rice?
Dessert goes to a different stomach.
Ah, yes, this science stomach.
Exactly.
You always need dessert late at night.
Sweet food helps after stressful days.
Today was definitely stressful.
My brain still hurts from networking.
Too many business conversations in one day.
And everybody kept saying, let's connect soon.
Nobody ever connects soon.
Never.
So, what's your favorite travel dessert?
Easy, warm brownies.
Good answer.
Especially with ice cream.
Okay, now I'm hungry again.
You are never not hungry.
Fair point.
What about you?
Cinnamon rolls.
Really?
Fresh cinnamon rolls are amazing.
That feels very specific.
Airport cinnamon rolls hit different,
That is weirdly true.
especially during early flights.
Or long delays.
Exactly. Should we try the mystery cake?
I kind of want to know what it is now.
Same.
Worst case, it's bad.
Best case, life-changing cake.
That would be a great ending to today.
After 12 hours of meetings.
They found the perfect dessert.
Honestly, I'd watch that movie.
Same.
Okay, fried rice, tea.
And mystery cloud cake.
This order is getting dangerous.
Dangerous, but exciting.
I still can't believe that's a real dessert name.
Maybe the chef made it up 5 minutes ago.
Honestly, I respect that.
So, are you ready to call room service?
I think so.
You got this.
If they answer with, "What is cloud cake?" I'm hanging up.
Fair enough.
Good evening, room service. How can I help you?
Hi, can I order some food?
Of course. What would you like tonight?
Can I get the fried rice, please?
Sure. The vegetable fried rice?
Yes, that one.
Great. Anything else?
Yes, hot tea, please.
Which tea would you like?
Oh, what kinds do you have?
We have green tea, black tea, chamomile tea, and mint tea.
Sorry, could you repeat that last one?
Mint tea.
Oh, okay, I'll do black tea.
Perfect. Anything else for tonight?
Yes, there's a dessert called midnight cloud cake.
Ah, yes.
What exactly is that?
It's a warm chocolate cake with soft cream.
Okay, that sounds really good.
It's very popular.
Then yes, let's add that too.
Excellent choice.
Thanks.
May I have your room number, please?
Room 814.
814.
Yes, that's right.
Thank you.
About how long will it take?
Around 30 minutes.
That's not bad.
We're a little busy tonight.
No problem.
Would you like extra plates or silverware?
Oh, yes, please. There are 2 of us.
Of course.
Thank you so much.
You're very welcome.
Oh, wait.
Yes?
Does the fried rice come spicy?
Just a little spicy.
Okay, that's fine.
Would you like mild sauce on the side?
Sure, that sounds good.
Perfect.
Okay, I think that's everything.
Wonderful. Your order will arrive shortly.
Great. Thanks again.
Enjoy your meal and have a lovely night.
You too. Bye.
Goodbye.
That call went pretty smoothly.
Yeah, actually.
See? Nothing to worry about.
The tea question surprised me, though.
Fancy hotels take tea very seriously.
Apparently.
So, black tea, strong choice.
I almost picked mint tea.
That feels too healthy for midnight food.
Good point.
Wow, look at the city tonight.
Yeah, the lights look beautiful.
I love quiet hotel nights like this.
Me too.
Everything feels slower after midnight.
Finally.
Today moved so fast.
Too fast.
I still can't believe tomorrow starts at 8.
Don't remind me.
At least the morning sessions are shorter.
Thank goodness.
Are you doing the networking breakfast tomorrow?
Absolutely not.
Same answer I had.
I need sleep more than free eggs.
That should also be on a t-shirt.
I have many good t-shirt ideas tonight.
The food better arrive before you design a full clothing line.
Honestly, I'm getting hungrier by the minute.
Same.
That fried rice sounded so good on the phone.
And now I really want to know about the cake.
The mystery cake.
It still sounds fake.
What if it's terrible?
Then we'll laugh about it tomorrow.
Fair enough.
You know what's nice though?
What?
No more meetings tonight.
No more small talk.
No more business cards.
No more, let's circle back next quarter.
Please, I've heard enough business phrases for one lifetime.
Same.
Right now, it's just food, tea, and quiet.
Honestly, that sounds perfect.
This room feels way more cozy now.
Yeah, it really does.
The rain helps too.
Wait, it's raining?
Look outside.
Oh wow, I didn't even notice.
City rain always looks kind of relaxing.
Especially from a warm hotel room.
Exactly. Hot tea is going to taste amazing tonight.
And fried rice.
And mystery cake.
The star of the evening.
Honestly, if the cake is good, this whole trip was worth it.
That is a very high level of confidence in dessert.
Dessert is important.
I respect that.
Wait, did you hear that?
The hallway?
I think the food is here.
Finally.
Okay, first thought,
This fried rice is actually really good.
right?
I was expecting sad hotel food,
Same.
but this is solid.
And the tea smells amazing.
The tea was a good choice.
So is the cake.
Honestly, the cake saved the whole night.
The famous midnight cloud cake,
Still a ridiculous name.
but somehow worth it.
Definitely worth it.
This feels way better than going downstairs to some crowded restaurant.
Yeah, this is calmer.
And quieter.
Much quieter.
So, let's review tonight.
Okay.
First, we came back starving after the conference,
And the restaurant downstairs was already closed?
which almost ruined the night.
Seriously.
Then we found out room service was still open.
Best news of the evening.
After that, we spent forever reading the menu.
That menu was way too long.
You changed your order like 5 times.
Only 4 times.
Sure.
First soup, then pancakes, then pasta,
Then finally fried rice.
which was clearly the correct choice.
Absolutely.
Then we found the mystery cake.
The turning point of the story.
Honestly, yes.
And then you called room service.
That part was easier than I thought.
You handled it perfectly.
I liked the guy on the phone. He sounded nice.
Yeah, he was friendly.
I still wasn't ready for the tea questions, though.
Next time you'll study tea menus before traveling.
Absolutely not.
Fair enough.
You know what's funny?
What?
This is probably the most relaxed I felt all day.
That was a warm and relaxing story. Emma finally had a quiet night with good food, hot tea, and time to rest after a long day. Small moments like this can feel very comforting. And you did a great job listening in English today. Now here is the question again. What drink did Emma finally order with her meal? If you know the answer, write it in the comments. Even a short comment is good practice. Writing in English helps you remember new words and understand the story longer. Thank you for spending time with English Listening Stories today. If this story helped you relax and practice English, please like the video and subscribe for more slow and easy English stories. And if you would like to support the channel and help us create more cozy listening stories, you can also join our channel membership. Take care, keep listening, and keep learning step by step. See you in the next story on English Listening Stories.